Hi, my name is Frank J. Garcia, and this is my lesson video on the human body. So let's jump in. This lesson is all about you. This lesson covers what makes up the human body. Everything both inside and outside the human body serves a purpose. So, some questions I want you to just think about really quick. When you look at your arms and legs, what do you see? Now, what do you think is underneath that, and underneath that, and so on and so forth? Now, when you're thinking about these things that are underneath, why do you think they're there? Do you think they have a reason to be there? Do you think they're just there for looks? What do you think the purpose of that item is? We're gonna learn some more about it right now. Let's start with the skeleton. Starting from the core we have our inner frame that is made up of bones and joints that give our body our strength. Meaning, if someone were to flick you or to kick you or in any way cause physical pain, you don't instantly snap like a pencil. When born, we are originally born with around 300 bones, actually a little more, in fact, a little more than 300 bones, and it is not until some fuse together when we have a final bone count of 206. Now, from the diagram right here, we have, starting from the top, we have some known bones that you should all know. You have your skull, your ribs, your radius, femurs, appendages, fibula, tibia, humerus, and so on. You'll learn more about them in your next activity. Next, we have right beyond the bones, or actually infused inside them, we have organs. There are hundreds of different cells that make up the human body. The similar ones come together to form tissue. This tissue could form different organs as well as other things in your body. The most important is up top is our brain. What we eat or what we touch, taste, feel, hear, and see goes to the brain, and the brain sends us a signal back, sends back a reaction. Meaning, if we were to touch a hot surface, our the heat, our touch sensor sends a signal to the brain. The brain analyzes it, sends it back, tells you it's hot to get your hand away from it. Other known organs are our heart. Almost the heart is our engine. It's pumping blood. It's pumping blood throughout our body so that everything is regulated. Our lungs is taking in air and exhaling it so we can breathe. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to give this presentation right now. We have our kidneys, veins, our intestine system that regulates the food through our bodies, and so on. And just outside of that, we have our beyond our organs, we have our muscles, which receive signals from the brain to move and to speak. The muscles also provide protection for the inner organs and bones, meaning they cushion the blow of, say, a fatal hit to the body. Some that you are familiar with when you're just simply working out, you have the deltoids, the biceps, triceps, quadriceps, and more. Again, you will learn more about these and your organs in the following activity. Get more familiar where they belong in your body. And lastly, we have the outermost layer. Of course, skin color comes in all different colors. The skin is our covers is our outermost layer that we see every day, and it is covered with little hairs. And that is my video on the human body. Thanks for watching.